Today we're going to see another gaming chair, but not just a gaming chair. This is a collaboration of two companies. One we already know, and the next one is worldwide known, actually. This is a collaboration between noblechairs. This is the exact design of the epic gaming chairs and noblechairs. And this is the Mercedes, like the badge says here, AMG Petronas Motorsport, which means that this is based upon a Formula One sport bucket seat design. It has wide dimensions. We see designing aspects from the Petronas logo, which is the green stitching along with silver details, which are here and on the 5-star base. What's more interesting is that this is the first time we come up with the 60mm casters, which have both the same color with the base and the Petronas green, which is amazing. I really liked it. The logo and the badge here on the headrest and on the neck pillow and on the lumbar support pillow. And moreover, we've got 8 stars which represent the Mercedes-Benz logo. We find the typical label of noblechairs in silver coloring. We see more of the green stitching Petronas here. Actually, it's all over the green stitching. It's the color that appears on the chair. Noblechairs logo and badges here as well. And we've got a detail that we really loved and represents the original design of the sport bucket seat. This is a bolster that goes all around the chair, and it resembles carbon fiber material. It's amazing. I really liked it. We've got the typical ergonomics of a gaming chair, which are the 4D armrests from this lever here, which is also silver, and it's a very nice detail as well. We adjust the backrest recline, which goes from 90 degrees to 135. The chair can withstand a body weight of 120 kilograms. We find it to be really firm and steady. There is a button here for the armrest height. Also, this is from metal, which matches the whole aesthetics of the chair. There is another button here, which is for the forward and backwards. Another one here to adjust the armrest like in or outwards, like this. The lever here is for the backrest. There you go. Oh, sorry. We have to lock the tilt mechanism. There you go. This is the further it goes back. And from here, like I've already said, you lock the rocking mechanism, which is really nice. I mean, I can even use it. So the height of the chair is really high. I mean, I don't touch the ground. And this is the lowest it goes. I think it will suit everybody. I prefer softer cushions. This is really firm, which means that it will keep its original shape for many years from what we have seen already. It's quite thick, and it's gonna suit the ones that they really like the firm sittings. It was supposed to be a very expensive chair. I mean, I thought it would cost like 600, something like this, but it only cost 389 from what I can remember, which is quite affordable if you prefer to sit in the Mercedes-Benz and noblechairs. So thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye.